Good evening. Moving on to the Bank Nifty setup for tomorrow, that is 3rd May 2021. Number one, pattern formations. There are approximately there are three patterns that we are currently focusing on at the moment. So we were trading in this deeply upward trending channel, to which I intimated you that steeply upward trending channels are the ones who do not leave for quite a longer time frame. Rather, they are very short-lived trend lines, or rather the channels, to which it attempted a breakout once and then it have broken down. Okay, so we are currently trading the breakdown of this upward trending or steeply rising channel, which is here. Okay, while it has broken this channel down, now there is a steeply downward trending channel has also been formed. Okay, do make a note: steeply upward trending channels, steeply downward sloping channel, they both are short-lived trends. Okay, so do make a note. Now the catch here is, while doing so, it have actually resumed into the previous channel that was formed some days back, which is this. Okay, now there are two possibilities. Either this could be just steeply downward sloping channel, or this is a formation of a flag and pole that we are observing at the moment. Okay, this is the pole and this is the flag formation that we can consider at the moment, because we were in a shorter time frame, we were in an upward trending momentum. So this can be considered as a flag and pole pattern, conditioned with the opening session. Okay, it has closed at 32,780 odd or 800 odd. With the opening session, after some time, it has to break down the 33,000 odd levels for it to confirm that this was a flag and pole pattern. Okay, but if it doesn't breaks it down, doesn't breaks out the 33,000 level, it got the final chance at the level of 32,500 zone, which is also your OI support. So somewhere around here, this is the max depth or max low. If this is flag and pole pattern, it got, so it has to break out either around here after opening somewhere around here, or either at from the levels of 32,500. If it is breaking out between this range somewhere around here, then we can consider that there is a breakout of a flag and pole pattern, and with this probably we are going to look for another 1,500 to 2,000 points of rally on the Bank Nifty if this breaks out. But the second probability is, if it further breaks down, okay, it further breaks down the 32,500 levels. Now it is somewhere trading around 32,300 level. Okay, for some reason, if it breaks down this level, this support level trend line as well, then this is an indication that traders have disregarded to consider this as a flag and pole pattern, and now they are trading the the short trend on the Bank Nifty. Okay, so breaking it down further indicates that we are going to look for further fall on Bank Nifty. The moment it manages to settle below this trend line, which is somewhere around 31,700, if it manages to settle below this trend line, this is going to indicate that we are going to retest the previous recent low which was created, which is 30,500. Somewhere around here, we are going to expect that it is going to test the previous low which has been so far created. Okay, that is one. With respect to basically with respect to the formations and the patterns that we got on the charts. Now with respect to the levels to trade, that is long or short, if it manages to break out the level of 33,150 somewhere around here with the opening session or during the day somewhere around here, then we can expect to enter into long trade. That is sort of a breakout of the flag and pole pattern, or breakout of the steeply downward sloping channel with the breakout of multiple resistance out here, and also it will be a breakout of OI resistance, which is 33,000. So 150 points above from your OI resistance is also breakout of quite a multiple resistance out here. You can enter into a long trade for the immediate target of 33,500 to 33,600 odd. Okay, because 33,500 is also going to be your OI resistance. That is one of the possibility. The second possibility out here is, till the level of 32,500, it will be quite risky to enter into any sort of shorts, because that is going to act as your OI support as well. So the moment it breaches 32,350 or 400 odd at the max, you can enter into a short trade with the immediate expectation of targets to be somewhere around 31,990 or 32,000. Why? Because this is again your OI support. Okay, while you are trailing your positions, also you have been booking some of your lots, you can wait for these levels to get tested. If it breaks down further, if you see it to be further breaking down the level of 31,800 to 750, then you can expect the further drag onto the Bank Nifty. On that day, I cannot say how much further it will drag, but the most idealistic expectation is to approach the immediate support, which is around 31,000 level. From 31,750, if it breaks down, we are going to look for 31,500 OI test, which is going to take place. Okay, now further it depends upon the momentum, the disappointment, the fear, whatever it is, that may further drag the the indices further, but that completely depends upon how are the sentiments getting formed, how is the data are getting churned out. That completely depend on that day. I'm not going to predict any sort of levels or targets. That is simply idiotic things to be done, which most of the experts do. With respect to the OI data, we got some support at 32,000 level, which is not quite strong as of yet. 3.10 lakh put shorts is not strong. We got some resistance at 33,000 level, which is approximately 4 lakhs of call short, which is again not very strong, because we have just crossed one of the day of the new series, so quite expected that there wouldn't be quite a much data out there. But looking at the data formations and everything, the first day does indicate that traders are looking forward for a weaker trend. 32,500 is sort of a tussle zone with equal put shorts and with equal call shorts. With respect to trend for tomorrow, based on the previous session that we have, we are expecting further drag or further fall on Bank Nifty. Trend for a shorter time has turned a bit indecisive at the moment, because here we were expecting this level to be very crucial, where it could have if it could have broken down this level, somewhere around 34,400 odd, then it could have indicated that it has been this is the reversal of the entire fall that we have seen, and then now we are going to look for the previous high. But exactly from this crucial level, it has reversed a bit. Okay, and now it has also broken down the upward trending channel that we were trading at. Now it completely depends upon the tomorrow's session, how it's going to further drag onto the Bank Nifty. For some reason, if it manages to close below 32,000 odd levels, that is an indication that we have resumed back into this long time frame downward sloping channel, which would be a bit negative. If it manages to close down, I'm again repeating, if it manages to close down below 32,000 odd levels, that this is an indication that we are again resuming back into downward sloping channel on a higher time frame. So if it does manages to, it is not only an indication that it's going to test the previous low, but rather going to create further lows than the previously created. That is with respect to the Bank Nifty. Moving on to the Nifty, similar sort of a pattern as we have seen on the Bank Nifty, but with the Nifty, if you see here, there was quite an aggressive attempt to break out of this upward trending channel, which was quite strongly rejected. Okay, now we are currently trading the breakdown of this upward trending channel while being in a steeply downward sloping channel, which is this. Okay. Similar theory, similar approach on Nifty also we will be carrying. So look for a long trade. If at all if it manages to break out this steeply downward sloping channel, ideal levels to enter into Nifty would be somewhere around 14,775 or 14,770. Okay, for the 100 points target, which is 14,880 odd. Okay, we can look forward for 14,900 test as well if it manages to break 14,770. The short trade on Nifty would be you can enter into a bit risky trade below 14,640. Okay, while considering 14,600 somewhere around here, it can act, and the OI support can act as a bit of support for Nifty. So you need to be a bit cautious. But if you don't want to get into that risk, if you wanted to enter into the decisive breakdown of support levels, then that is somewhere around here, which is below 14,440. Okay, that is the level where you can enter into short on Nifty, expecting further drag up to 14,380. But do make a note that every 100-point block on Nifty is going to act as a OI support as well. So if you have entered into 14,540 below, then do expect 14,500 to give you a bit of support, a bit of tussle. Probably based on the sentiments and everything, it may retrace a bit, and then it may continue to make a fall. So you need to be ready with that as well. On the higher time frame on Nifty, as we know that this was the level which we were expecting somewhere around 15,150 above. If it manages to close, or somewhere at least above 15,100, if it manages to close, then we would have been expecting the previous highs to be tested, sort of a reversal of the falling trend that we have seen on Nifty. But based on the reversal that it had created from the very crucial levels, it does indicate that participants as of yet are not geared up to consider this to be an entire reversal, and do look forward for further corrections as well. So that is it with respect to the setup. With respect to OI data for Nifty, we got 11 lakh put shorts, and we got approximately 11 lakh call shorts at 500 and 700, which are going to act as a moderate support and resistance. Out here, 14,600 is with 7.25 lakhs and 8.75 lakh put and short call shorts are going to act as a tussle zone. So looking at the data are not much at the moment. So the levels, be it support level or be it resistance level, they are a bit fragile at the moment, which can be broken quite easily on both the sides, based on the sentiments or based on the momentum that traders are going to build tomorrow. So be ready for that. With respect to trend for tomorrow, I'm considering it to be a bit negative based on what we have seen on the last trading session. For a short term time frame, it is a bit indecisive. Let 1 or 2 days get traded, then probably we will derive the short term trend onto it. Do refer to the handbook shared on the channel for key things to remember while you trade. For live trade explanations and training, please join the Telegram channel. Link is shared in the description box for your reference. Also do subscribe to the YouTube channel for daily setup and updates. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.